There are many different types of toothpaste. People often get confused while standing in front of the toothpaste section because they don't know which one to buy. Usually they end up purchasing the cheapest toothpaste without knowing if it's the right choice for them. While most toothpaste are similar, there are some differences. It is recommended that you brush your teeth with fluoride toothpaste. Fluoride has been proven to strengthen enamel and prevent tooth decay. So, when choosing a toothpaste, check the ingredients on the back of the package and look for fluoride. There are three different types of fluoride that can be found in toothpaste: sodium fluoride, sodium monofluorophosphate, and stannous fluoride. Sodium fluoride and sodium monofluorophosphate are quite similar. However, stannous fluoride is a bit different. The studies show that stannous fluoride can help treat gingivitis, reduce tooth sensitivity, and even prevent acid erosion. Abrasiveness in toothpaste. One of the most significant differences between toothpaste is abrasiveness. How can you tell if a toothpaste is abrasive? Whitening toothpastes are usually more abrasive than regular ones. It is recommended to avoid whitening toothpastes because they can damage your enamel. If enamel becomes damaged, teeth can become extremely sensitive. Toothpaste for sensitive teeth. Studies have shown that potassium nitrate helps reduce tooth sensitivity. Some toothpaste contain potassium nitrate, so check the ingredients list before purchasing. Foaming in toothpaste. Some toothpaste foam a lot during brushing, while others do not foam as much. Some people cannot tolerate foaming toothpaste, and others may develop ulcers on their gums due to foaming agents. For such individuals, it is recommended to use toothpaste without sodium lauryl sulfate, also known as SLS. Natural and fluoride-free toothpaste. There are also natural toothpaste or fluoride-free toothpaste available. It is not recommended to use fluoride-free toothpaste because fluoride has been proven to strengthen enamel and prevent tooth decay. Using a toothpaste without fluoride might not provide enough protection for your teeth.